So guys, today's video is quite a special one. This is a sponsored video from Nothosaur, and they have been generous enough to provide me with this toy, along with providing a discount code, Durganword, that gives you a 10% coupon for any in-store purchase. A link will be in the description below. I can't put it in the comment section as YouTube, I think, blocks links in comments, but the description will have it. I also put a comment saying where to go to get this, but there will be a link to their site, so you should go check them out, as they've been quite generous. But today's product is Alla. It is a long toy. It's a depth trainer of sorts, and I was like, oh, I haven't really had one of those, so I thought, I'd pick up one of those and see how it is. So, let's just get right into the unboxing. All right, so the box has been opened now. Let's see here. So that's the toy itself. Let's see what they provided. This, I'm not too sure what this is. Looks to be, is it just stickers? I don't think it's stickers. We're not too sure what this is, but it's cute. And I assume you put it on something, but I don't know what. Is that another jet flying overhead? That's another jet. Goddamn. Apologies for that. I got jets over here. So this had a protective cover on it. I guess you place it over something. I'm not too sure what, because it's too big for a phone, and you can't take these off. So I guess it's like a wall mount or something. I don't know. Let's see what else they got. Ooh, they got stickers like Bad Dragon, but they give you multiple. Let's see here. So you got, these are probably all of their toys. I don't know exactly what they all are, but that's a dick. That's another dick. Another dick. Look at that. It's a panda. I think I saw that in the store. That's a shark. It's a goblin. That's a jackal. This light is atrocious. Yeah. Neat. Let's see. Oh, wow. You really can't tell if this is because it's a sponsor package or if they just give these all out. But lots of goodie bags. Hopefully that was not too loud on the mic, so I put that right next to the mic. So I got a keychain of that jackal guy. Pretty cool. Let's see, is this a... What does that say? Make toys unique, make sex free. I figure out this lighting situation. This is awful. But yeah, I got a nice card there. Birthday special treat. Interesting. Let's see what also is in this bag. It looks like, ooh, do they come with their own toy bag? Because that would be sweet. Let me take this out real quick. Yeah, wow, okay. So you also get your own toy bag, which is really nice, because I was running out of places to put these toys, so that saves me a lot of trouble. So big thanks for that. Pretty nice. Now, what you guys are here for, the toy. As you can tell, it's not too terribly long. However, there are multiple sizes for this toy. This toy can get pretty big. I picked a small size because I've never really been able to handle the bigger toys on this channel, yet I keep getting them anyway. But anyway, I tried to go a bit smaller this time. So let's pull it out. Okay, it is out. Very long, very floppy. Oh, that actually looks a little longer when you pull it out. I guess it's got a nice... can't really, need bigger camera. It's got a, it's twisty. It comes pre-twisted, which I guess is already like that in the photos. So I think it's supposed to be some sort of eldritch guy. I guess technically Cthulhu, but not really. It looks like it comes with its own suction cup. Can't really do that while, whoops, here. But yeah, it's got its own suction cup. I think the bigger toys can also have some other goodies on them as well. So this is about, I think it was about 15 inches long of usable length, or maybe it was 15 inches total. But still, it's around to the 15-inch mark. It's about an inch, a little under an inch up here, and a little more than 2 inches down here. So overall, not too terribly thick, but you really feel these suctions here, just in your hand. Nice and squishy. I think I got the medium firmness. So if you get the other firmness, it might be a bit more squishy. But yeah, I guess all that's left to do is try this out and then come back to you guys once that's done. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, coming back from after trying the toy, I can say that this thing is quite incredible. I was actually able to get all of it in, which I'm actually quite impressed about. I remember reading the reviews on this thing and they said that like you could feel all these different what are they called? Suction cups? Yeah, suction cups. I thought it's like, nah, I won't, because you never really feel these things. You never really feel the texture of the toys on the interior, but you actually do feel this. You actually do feel these, and it's quite an interesting feeling. I'm gonna say it's not really something I can describe, but it's quite interesting. I will note that I had quite a bit of difficulty getting this in, because it was, once lubed up, this whole thing was so floppy and so hard to hold that I kind of had to dry it off a little bit before I was actually able to get it in. So that's something to look into if you're getting one of these toys. You make sure this isn't too thin or too floppy, because that'll make getting into you a lot more difficult. What else do I want to say about this toy? I mean, I don't know. I didn't have any problems really with it as a first time depth person. So I really no complaints other than that. It just took a while to get in. But other than that, I really want to thank Nothosaur for sponsoring today's video. Remember that you can use code DRAGONWORD to get 10% off in the store for any of your purchases. So feel free to check them out, because it seems like they really load you up. So yeah, have a good day, y'all.